I'm going to tell you about 3 ingredients that will really help energize your pre-gym drink or really early in the morning drink to help energize your morning workout, and it really starts with an action-packed drink. This morning elixir boosts your hydration, aids in digestion, enhances your energy levels, and it encourages weight loss. And it also jump-starts your day with a revitalizing blend of minerals and antioxidants. So first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and that means before you eat or drink anything, so no caffeine, fill a tall glass half with spring water. Okay? Spring water is clear and it's clean and it's full of minerals and it's living water to match our living body. Number 1, what we're going to add to the spring water is a pinch of salt or a couple of grinds of Himalayan salt from your salt grinder. So Himalayan salt is full of minerals and it helps replenish the electrolytes that we lose when we're sweating and emptying our bladders. And it also hydrates our body by directing water and nutrients to the areas in our body that needs it the most. And therefore it maintains optimal fluid balance within our cells. It also balances our pH levels, which is super important for oxygen delivery to our tissues and proper digestion. Number 2, kickstart your metabolism by squeezing some fresh, organic lemon juice, or do what I do, squeeze lemons ahead of time, put them in a container, put them in your fridge so it's ready for when you need it. Lemon juice adds vitamin C and also a lot of antioxidants to the body. And what do antioxidants do? They help remove the free radicals that cause damage in our body's cells. And vitamin C also aids in digestion. It starts the detoxification process and it kickstarts our metabolism. And number 3, fill your glass, the rest of it with coconut water. And why with coconut water? Because we want to replenish our electrolyte loss. Coconut water is naturally packed with electrolytes and it rehydrates and replenishes any minerals lost through sweating and elimination. It also boosts the immune system and it is high in bioactive enzymes, which improves metabolism and helps muscles burn more calories, which in turn encourages weight loss. So making this supercharged morning drink is as easy as 1, 2, 3 ingredients. Keep up leveling your fuel in order to fuel your cells, in order to create energy and healing and wellness in your body. Stay tuned for more fueling because I'm gonna up-level this even more with morning supplements. Have a raw amazing day.